I will stand up against bullies. And I will stand up and be heard on that noise.
Standing together against bullying. It's Unity Day, and schools across the district are spreading kindness. Here at Beaufort Elementary, the Bikers Against Bullies rode into the school for a special pep rally, educating students about bullying.
I learned that you should never bully someone because of how they look, and it's just like how you should never judge a book by its cover. They might seem not nice and stuff, but you should always ask them.
Students also learned about respecting themselves and others.
Just be kind. Say it, be kind.
Because that way it makes people feel good, and if they feel good, then they'll be kind to other people, and if they're kind, it's just going to keep going around the world, and then we're going to have a good, better world.
If somebody feel down about themselves, and you come to them, they might be your friend, and it might be your best friend you ever had.
Unity! Unity!
Students at Port Royal Elementary School were cheering loudly in the hallways for Unity Day.
I think it's important to be kind and include others, because if you're nice to someone, then they'll probably be nice back to you. Some people just don't understand what some people are going through.
The students decorated small orange flags with inspirational messages and drawings that they placed outside of the school.
I wrote Unity Day. Then I drew a friend's hand and another friend's hand. They have been holding a lot of friendship in there, and that's what is most important in Unity Day, not to bully or anything like that.
And a message of unity at Hilton and Island Middle School. Students placed their custom-designed orange flags outside their building, spelling out the initials of the school.
I think it really represents HHIMS by telling our community that it's good to be kind and we need to spread a little more kindness in the community.
I feel like it was a good thing to do because it would inspire people to stop bullying and help other kids to speak up about them being bullied. I feel like it's nice to show people respect, because to give them the respect you want, because if not, they're not going to respect you, and people are not going to want to hang out with you and do other stuff with you.
Unity Day started in 2011 as part of National Bullying Prevention Month. Students are asked to wear the color orange to show support for kids who have been bullied. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.